Hello students, welcome to the Narayana live classes. Students, in this session we are going to discuss about assignment key which is dated on 15th July 2020. Students, in this assignment some of the questions are given which are very important for the all competitive examinations. What are those questions? Let us see here. First question, students, dash is the fundamental, functional and structural unit of life. As we know that we have been studying cell, the basic unit of life, from the 8th class as well as from advanced points. Now let us see a few important questions given here. First question, dash is the fundamental, functional and structural unit of life. You know that the cell is considered as structural, functional and fundamental unit of the life. As we studied, the cell performs, as we know, cell performs many functions. All the functions of our body or all metabolic activities in our body takes place inside the cell. So hence, cell is considered as structural, functional and fundamental unit of the life. Structural, functional, fundamental unit of the life. Students, moving on to second question. What is second question? Name the instrument that helps us to see microscopic cells like bacteria. You know that bacteria, virus, even algae, they are microscopic in nature, which means we can't see them with our naked eye. So hence, we can see them only through a device, namely microscope. So what is the solution for second question? So the solution is the device namely microscope, that helps us to see microorganisms or microscopic organisms clearly. You know that bacteria, even virus, fungus, blue-green algae, such kind of organisms are tiny organisms, which means smaller living organisms which we can't see with our naked eye. So hence the answer is 3. The answer is 3 micro. Generally the answer is 2 microscope. Okay. Second question. Name the person who observed minute microorganisms in rainwater and called them as animalcules. Who is that scientist? You know that as we studied many times, a scientist namely Antony van Leeuwenhoek. So what is the solution for third question? What is the solution for third question? A scientist namely Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, a great scientist who discovered the tiny microorganisms like bacteria and virus for the first time in rainwater. Hence, the answer is third option, Antony van Leeuwenhoek. So, Antony van Leeuwenhoek considered as father of microbiology, as we studied a branch of science that deals with the microscopic organisms is generally the microbiology as a branch of science invented by a scientist namely Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Let us go for next question, students. Fourth question. Dash called the control room of the cell. Who is considered as control unit of the cell? As we know very well, the nucleus. The nucleus is considered as first option. The nucleus considered as control unit of the cell. So what is the solution for third question? As we have seen, the nucleus is considered as control unit of the cell. Why only nucleus considered as control unit of the cell? Why? Because nucleus performs many functions. Nucleus performs many functions. What are the functions performed by the nucleus? Nucleus can control all the activities of the cell, can monitor all the activities of the cell, can bring up all the changes of activities that are taking place in the cell. So hence, if you see the nucleus, first option, that right option is first option, nucleus is considered as the brain of the cell and control room or control unit of the cell. Students, I am moving on to next question. So what is next question? Name the person who discovered the nucleus. As you know that nucleus is considered as control unit of the cell, which brings all the activities in a proper ratio or proportion. So next question is, name this person who discovered the nucleus. Who is that particular scientist found the nucleus in living organisms? As we studied, a scientist namely Robert Brown, who is well known for the discovery of a nucleus. I would like to give the solution, students. Let us see here. Why only, how can you say that the Robert Brown discovered the nucleus for the first time? As we have seen the experiments of Robert Brown. Robert Brown dissected many plants and founded some dot-like structures in the cell. These dot-like structures are called as a nucleus. So Robert Brown is well known for the discovery of a nucleus. So option 4 is the right answer. Next question, students. Sixth one. Name the person who observed box-like compartments in thin slices of cork. You know that. What do you mean by box-like compartments or small rooms? You know that the Robert Hooke, the first time scientist namely Robert Hooke discovered thin slices of cork. Robert Hooke discovered that the thin slices of cork resembles smaller room-like structures. These smaller room-like structures are called as the cell. So successfully the Robert Hooke discovered the cell in a particular plant called cork plant, and when he was dissected the stem of a particular plant, he noticed some of the smaller compartments or smaller room-like structures which are called as a cells. Next, let us see the seventh question, students. Name this instrument. What is this instrument? As we know that the instrument is the microscope. What is this instrument, Nana? It is considered as the microscope. You know that. What kind of microscope it is? It is a compound microscope which works under normal light. Normal light or sunlight is enough to magnify the object which is placed in front of the lenses. As easily we can notice some of the important parts that are found in the microscope. So name the instrument. What is this instrument? It is a microscope. So students, these are the interesting questions and interesting key and solution. So remaining assignment keys we are going to discuss in the further classes. Thank you. Be safe. Have a good day.